واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا واذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ كنتم أعداء فألف بين قلوبكم فأصبحتم بنعمته إخوانا وكنتم على شفا حفرة من النار فأنقذكم منها كذلك يبين الله لكم آياته لعلكم تهتدون.
Welcome once again. The ayah that was recited by our Qari is indeed a very powerful ayah in terms of persuading us to always look for unity and avoid differences and conflicts. And the recipe for this unity comes from the guidelines that are given in the Quran. As the Quran is very clear in terms of reminding us that whenever we follow the guidance of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we will have nothing to worry and nothing to fear. So if we stick fast to the guidance that is preserved in the Quran, we will ensure that in our family, in our neighborhood, in our community, in our society, in our country, we avoid situations that would unnecessarily create conflicts and unnecessarily create tensions and differences among people. Why differences have to be avoided? Because they usually take much of our time away from productive and positive work. So if we focus and train ourselves in this month to acquire that unity in our actions and unity in our behavior toward others, we would definitely make the most out of this month of fasting. And this month of self-control is giving us that opportunity. We are proving to ourselves that we can control our hunger. We can control our anger. We can control many other things that otherwise we find it difficult to be controlled. So let us focus on creating unity among ourselves and avoid those situations that would unnecessarily cause tensions. Our Prophet ﷺ also reminded us that we should believe that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's mercy overpowers His wrath and His anger. And this is a quality that we should inculcate. That there would be situations where we would feel like being angry or being full of wrath. But those are the moments where we have to exercise self-control and prove to ourselves that we can control those kind of things, and especially as the Quran says that the unity is the essence of our existence as a community of believers. أقول قولي هذا وأستغفر الله لي ولكم.